To clean up our area after we're done working with clay for the day, we have a couple of things that we need to do. First off, extra clay goes in your clay bag. Remember to spritz it with a little bit of water if needed, because it's your responsibility to keep this wet. Then press all of that air out and make sure that it is tightly closed. Okay? Then just wrap this up and this goes in your bin. Okay, now the next part. Now I know that you guys use something a little bit different than this little placemat here, but any of these extra pieces of clay we need to maybe just put in the trash can or add to your communal clay. But what you will do to clean up your clay tarp, we will spray it down, and then you will use a rag to wipe everything down. We have to wipe it down. It's not going to get perfectly clean, but it will do. Okay, so then what we will do, I'm gonna give it another spray after I do once. That helps a lot more. Okay, so then what we will do is we are going to fold up our clay tarp and put it away. Now we need to rinse off and wash all of these clay tools. Okay, so here we are over by the sink area. Before you turn this on, there should be a rag hanging here, or you can just go ahead and use a paper towel to scrub this off. So I'm going to turn on the water, and you need to make sure that you scrub down and wipe all of these tools off, okay? So make sure that when you're doing this, and this is hard to do with one hand, you take your rag and you're gonna wipe everything off. So let me show you. Okay, so once you have rinsed all of those out, if you need to, you can take, oops, I forgot this one. Okay, so once you've rinsed all of those out, if you need to, if your inside of your bin is really messy, take the wet rag and just wipe it off quickly. Then before you put your tools back in to the bin, take a paper towel and just quickly wipe to dry them off. And put them, when they're all done, they're not going to be completely dry, but we want to keep them clean as best we can. So once they are wiped off, you can see that they are pretty clean there, okay? They should be nice and good. Then you can put the lid back on them and put it back where they belong.